Morning everyone, and thank you for joining us today in this teacher training program on recent advances and application of machine learning and IoT in mechanical engineering. Offering by a joint venture of AICTE and RGBB Bhopal and organized by Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nitin Kumar Sahu from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. I will be responsible for hosting this training program. I am glad to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta, Vice Chancellor, RGBB Bhopal. I would like to request Dr. Ravi Shankar V. Chaudhary, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, SysTech, kindly proceed for welcome. Sir, please.
Chief guest of the day, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Vice Chancellor, RGPV Bhopal, Honorable Shri Siddharth Sudhir Agrawal, Managing Director, Sagar Group, Honorable Guest of the Day and Coordinator Q3, Dr. S.C. Chaube. Today's Speaker of the Day, Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal, Assistant Professor, NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, Director, Sagar Group of Institutions, Dr. Keshwendra Chaudhary, Principal, SysTech, Gandhinagar, also the coordinator of this event, Dr. Savita Vyas, Nodal Officer, AICTE, FDP, RGPV, Dr. Manish Bilore, Principal, SysTech Ratibad, Dr. Swati Saxena, Vice Principal, SysTech Gandhinagar, Shri B.S. Kushwaha, Administrator, SysTech Gandhinagar, learned faculty members, all participants, a very good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you to this online event teachers training program on recent advances and applications of machine learning and Internet of Things in mechanical engineering, offering by a joint venture of AICTE and RGPV Bhopal. Thank you one and all present here and have a wonderful full time ahead and very happy learning. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Over to Nitin.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. As we have such an inspiring personality, our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta, Vice Chancellor, RGBB Bhopal. He is a living example of talent and humility. It's my proud privilege to introduce him to our esteemed guest.
Everybody, good morning, Jyoti Deshmukh ji, Principal SysTech, Keshwendra Chaudhary ji, Principal Ratibad Campus, all the faculty members and all the participants. It's a really great day wherein you people are conducting a AICTE sponsored FDP on a very relevant topic. IoT and machine learning, in my opinion, are new tools and everybody has to learn these tools. And as the name suggests, machine learning, so who else can teach it better than mechanical engineers to the machines? So if learning is machine, then one has to think about the mechanical engineers only because they know about the machine. So how the machine will learn, they can teach them better as compared to other faculty members. So we have to learn the techniques through which we can make them learn. Keshwendra was talking about entropy. But in my opinion, these tools can help us in reducing the growth of entropy in a much better way as compared to other tools. Because you can appreciate this particular fact as we are on online as of now. So less energy has been consumed as compared to the physical movement of the pupil and going to the venue of the training and all that. So definitely use of Internet of Things and use of machine learning may help in reducing the entropy increase, and finally we can have more sustainable and more green world as compared to what we are having as of now.
Yes.
So this is a wonderful opportunity wherein we should try to learn these new tools and try to incorporate all these tools in our syllabus in a way that it get integrates and amalgate or get blended in such a way that one cannot differentiate between mechanical engineering or these new tools. So this should be the objective of this particular program. So I wish great luck and great success to this particular program, and I hope the objectives with which it has been granted to the SISTEC Gandhinagar. So thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivation and words of wisdom. You always make us encourage with your amazing analogy for future scope in the field of mechanical engineering. Now I request Director Sagar Group of Institution, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, kindly proceed for words of wisdom. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Nitin sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, RGPV Bhopal, respected SC Chaube sir, the professor as well as the coordinator of TechCube 3, Principal SISTEC Dr. Keshwin Chaudhary sir, Principal SISTEC Ratibad, Dr. Manish Bilore sir, Dr. B.S. Kushwaha sir, Mr. B.S. Kushwaha sir, all the head of the departments, all the important stakeholders of SISTEC, Vice Principal Dr. Swati Saxena ma'am, and I would say the important person who have joined here, those who are the guides, mentors of this week-long teachers training program, the speakers of today's events or sessions. One of the speaker has already joined, as I know, Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal sir, and the attendees of this program. Hearty good morning to one and all present here. First of all, let me start with thanking RGPV as well as AICT for giving us the opportunity to conduct this teachers training program. Because always we think that the teachers are the backbone of this whole educational system. Although I'm not from the mechanical side, but I can vouch, looking at the industry 4.0 on the onset of it, the role of multidisciplinary approach that should be inculcated in the whole teaching learning methodology, and the role of teacher in this whole scenario. So this topic is very much relevant, I would say, because it actually brings the teachers or the, I would say, the knowledge of institutions like the mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, and electronics and communication engineering. So this is a wonderful topic. And I would say the speakers, I had gone through the whole the itinerary of this 6 days training program, wherein I can see the speakers, they are the renowned speakers from various IITs, NITs, as well as from industry. And they are touching all the different aspects which are very relevant to IoT, machine learning, as well as the role of it in mechanical engineering. So I am sure that this program will be certainly very much helpful for all the teachers who have joined to this training program. One thing I always feel that always there is a mindset of mechanical students that they always speak about the core. Core means like whatever is related to exclusively for mechanical engineering. And then they do not accept the role of computer science, role of AI or IoT or something like that into their domain. So I feel that once our teachers get to know about it, then they can further extend this particular knowledge to the students and help to change the mindset of the students. Because this would be the real success of this teachers training program. Because when you have make up the mind, then only we can make the students' mind accordingly. And then only we can inculcate, nurture this, I would say, mindset of interdisciplinary approach in the upcoming era. I would say, because they will be the first human resource who will actually face the industry. And to make them ready for that change, the teachers will play enormous important role. So I would request that all the teachers should attend this program very sincerely, understand the importance of these two fields into mechanical engineering, and further deliver this message to our students. So that will be the wonderful outcome of this program. Once again, thank you, and congratulations to the entire department. Handing over the session to Nitin Sahu sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I would like to call Principal SysTech, Dr. Keshwendra Chaudhary, to please address the audience.
Today's chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor RGPV, Dr. Sunil Kumar, guest of honor, respected Professor S.C. Chaubey, Professor and Coordinator, TECU, RGPV, Professor Savita Vyas, Chief Coordinator, AICTE RGPV TTP Program, Group Director, Sagar Group of Institution, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, Principal SysTech Rathibar, Dr. Manish Villore, Principal SIPTech, Dr. Kuldeep Ganju, Vice Principal SysTech, Dr. Swati Saxena, Administrator, Sri V.S. Kushwaha, all the invited distinguished speakers, especially Dr. Pralay Pal and Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal, all the HODs of the different departments, coordinator of the program, and all the participant and faculty members. I welcome you all in this 6 days TTP on recent advances and application of machine learning and IoT in mechanical engineering. My special thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for his continuous guidance and effort to make not only RGPV as one of the best university, but also to motivate us for doing good and innovative work for the sustainable development of education, industry, and society. As a part of Industry 4 revolution, the machine learning and IoT has started playing a major role in the area of mechanical engineering domain. These technologies are able to optimize production floors, manufacturing supply chains, unit failure, and much more. Now, it is required by all the mechanical engineers to scale up their knowledge in these areas of emerging technologies. Machine learning based predictive maintenance saves cost and time on routine. It is also useful in airline industry in monitoring efficiency in operation, as delays of even a few minutes can result in heavy loss. The devices in IoT are capable of communicating and transferring data over a network without the need for human-computer interaction. So this will be very much useful in autonomous vehicle and smart cities. 5G technologies will be required for the same, which will work with more data speed. As the thermal engineer, I would say that it will be responsible for more entropy generation and so more disorder in our ecosystem. As an mechanical engineer, it is our sole responsibilities to understand the problems related to unwanted effect and the way to minimize these problems for sustainable atmosphere and happy Mother Earth. I hope in coming all the 6 days, all the participants will be able to create and increase their eagerness to learn more and more about these emerging technologies and broaden their perspective. Entropy is associated with the existence of the universe. So I hope that we all must think and work in this direction also, so that these technologies must be able to work nearly to reversible. Thank you so much. Thank you all the participants, and happy learning.